Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to one of my videos, Sunday Mixing with Psycho Nixon. And today we're going to make my grandmother's special Saturday surprise for Sunday. So Sunday surprise. Surprise! Anyways, first things first, we need our butter, our pecans or walnuts, depending on how you want them. We need Cool Whip, instant chocolate pudding, our cream cheese, and flour. Powdered sugar, so I'll go get that. We've got to make our crust first, so we'll do that first. Make a layer. We'll get to it. Powdered sugar. Perfect. Now we have all the ingredients. So for the crust, you're going to need the stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, and a half a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. We're going to use pecans. So I'm going to get everything ready to go, and we'll come right back. So now we're going to take our half cup pecans, roughly about that many. I'm going to put them in this handy dandy fancy thing here. Put this thing on here like that, lock it into place. And here we are, all nice and chopped. Put it in our bowl. So don't get rid of those pecans yet, because we'll have to chop some more. But this part is just for the crust. Okay, then we need our stick of butter. Preferably want it nice and soft at this point. There we are. And we need a cup of flour. One cup of flour. Alright, and then we'll mix all that together. So with this, you want to have it nice and mixed up. You're going to take your pan and you're just going to layer the bottom of your pan here. And you get right in there and you just push it all to the sides. It doesn't have to come up the sides, just on the bottom. A nice even crust all the way to the edges. And there you have it. There's the crust. Wash your hands. And on to the next step. Bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll throw it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Now you're going to need a separate bowl for the next layer. So for the next layer you're going to need powdered sugar, our Cool Whip, 1 whole cup. We're going to need 1 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, and then more chopped walnuts. We're not using walnuts, so we're using pecans. So we'll have chop more of those up, and we'll mix all that up together for that's the next layer. So I'll get set up for that, and we'll keep going. So chop up these walnuts, pecans. Then we have our 1 cup powdered sugar, half cup, one whole cup, whole package of cream cheese, and then 1 whole cup Cool Whip. That looks like a cup. Right. 1 whole package of cream cheese. And we'll mix all this together. You don't call me Psycho Mixin, Frank. Because when I start doing it, it gets pretty crazy. So that's our next layer. Then for our layer 2, we need another bowl, and we need to put instant pudding and milk is what we're going to need. More bowl. 2 packages of instant pudding. Best thing is the Jello brand instant pudding. So when your 15 minutes is up for your crust, you want to take that out and put it somewhere where it can cool. So we're just going to go and set this outside for right now. It's a little windy, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to open up our package for our instant pudding. 2 cups. Here's 1 cup. And then I'll mix all that together. We'll mix all this together. And then we have our 3rd layer, which is more Cool Whip. We'll do some chopped walnuts here because our pecans are out. Take our walnuts here, throw them in here. Whoops, that did not work. Okay, take 2 walnuts. So now we just chop up a couple walnuts a couple times. Very good to me. And now you layer it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to layer the cream cheese and everything in here. The best part about making desserts is you can lick the bowls when you're done. Now that the cream cheese and everything is layered, you put your nice pudding on there. And then we'll put our Cool Whip on there. And then from here, since you got that done, take your walnuts, cheese. That didn't work. And then I'm going to grate a little bit of a Hershey's bar over top of it, and it'll be ready to go. I'm going to just set it in the fridge for now. Thank you everybody for watching me make my dessert, my grandmother's dessert for Saturday. No, it's called Saturday Surprise, but it's for Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixon. His first bite. Just like Grandma makes. Grandma, if you're watching this, you gave good directions. Thank you everybody for watching. Smash that like button. If you want to see more like this, just let me know in the comments below. If you want to see anything else, just let me know and I'll go cook it. I'll try anything once. So, thank you. I'm Psycho Nixon, and I'm out.
Yeah.